A glowing and glorious good morning to all of you. Welcome back to your own channel Elevate English with Geeta Ma'am. Today I am here to talk about work life balance. Yes, what is work life balance? When somebody is working and he or she is working together at home as well and at workplace as well, so it is really difficult to manage that situation because sometimes we are at stressed in our workplace, and sometimes we have lots of problems in our personal life as well, and the situation becomes back to worst sometimes. So we should think about that, how we can tackle those problems, how we can make a proper balance between our work life and our personal life. It is really very imperative. So if you want to make a difference in your life and at your workplace, so you need to think something. Yes, you need to do your work at your priority. First, set your work that what work is the supermost need of your day. Prioritize your work so that if you prioritize your work, you will find that now you are able to do your work in a proper manner, because if you have prioritized your work, so somewhere you are completing those chores that are very crucial for your life, and after that you are completing those one that you can do later as well. Okay, so sir, first of all, prioritize your work. It is important. It happens, you would have noticed that sometimes we have so much work, a pile of work at our workplace, that if we are not completing that work at the proper time, so we are getting stressed. And to be free from that stage, you need to prioritize your work. You need to understand the value of time. If you are giving quality time to your workplace and to your family, so you are not going to feel and you are not going to get any disturbance in your life. So for that, prioritization and time management is important. So by making time management, you can manage your household chores as well. If you are a working woman, so just manage your household chores in proper manner by making a proper timetable. Yes, and if you think that you are not getting sufficient time, you have shortage of time, just change your lifestyle a little bit. Try to be an early bird, because an early bird always catches the worm first. And when you are getting up early in the morning, so you are able to get that sufficient time that you can utilize in your other chores as well, or you can use that time with your family. Yes, you can spend that time with your family members, your children, your husband. And apart from that, you can just manage your cleaning of the house and other chores as well, if you are just getting up early in the morning. And after that, as you are at workplace, so that time also you can make a to-do list of your work. That suppose there are some work at your home, at your hand, so just think about all the work that what you can get for the week. Okay, if whatever work you may get for the week, so you will be totally aware that what kind of work it may be. So just be ready in advance. Okay, so what happened when you are just working your every deed at in your hand, so so in future you will not get yourself into trouble. Because what happened when we are doing our work every now and then without any system, so that time we are entangling ourselves in some problem. But if we are aware that what should be done next and how should be done in proper way, so it is going to give you best result. So just maintain proper timetable, prioritize your work, and change a little bit in your lifestyle. Okay, because when you are just thinking about your lifestyle, so your health also comes first. If you are changing your lifestyle, if you are getting up early or doing your work at proper time, so sometimes you are getting sufficient time for your me time. That is important. You can think about your health. You can do some workout in the form of yoga, meditation, or gym at your home as well. Because whatever you work you want to do, you need to just give proper time. Yes, it is not important that are you going to a gym or a meditation center. It is important that how much time you are giving on daily basis. Suppose if you are getting 20 minutes and you are doing 20 minutes workout, so it is going to add great values in your life, because in this way you are able to change something in your life. Yes, something fruitful, something useful, and something luxurious. Yes, and other thing is that I want to share, that is your routine. As we are talking about your routine, so just to set a proper routine. When you are doing if you think that today I will do this, and yesterday I did this but it was totally useless, it was not according to me, so that happens when you are not thinking in prayer. Just think in prayer that how your next day will be. If you are thinking in advance that what are the main chores that you have to finish, you have to do, so you will not entangle yourself in any stress. Okay, and when we are talking about lifestyle and health, so just think about those who are not getting proper time because of their undisturbed life, in balanced life. And when we are talking about balance, so balance is not a big thing. It is all up to you. Nobody is going to make a proper timetable for you. You need your priorities, you need your needs, and you know about what are your needs and what are your priorities. According to that you can set a proper timetable. Okay, and if you want to keep yourself stress free, and keep your life with an ease, so just do one thing. Devote your time to your family as well. I know that doing work at workplace is your responsibility, but your first and foremost responsibility is your health and your family as well. If you are giving proper time to your family, so somewhere you are not feeling that regret in your mind, that I am not doing this thing for my children, I am not doing that thing for my children. Just uh, um, just steal the time out of your busy schedule and devote that time with your family. Listen to them and play with your children, and just go to outside, go to out for any trip, a short trip in a weekend, or once in 15 days. So it is also going to add great help in your valuable life. Okay, and when you are listening to your spouse, so sometimes when we are giving quality time to our spouse, so they are the source of our inner power, because when we are listening to them, and they are also understanding and comprehending with our ideas and with our thoughts, so it gives us enormous support to our system. That is also important. So if you want to make your life work life balance, so just go through that. Okay, it's important, really, really, it works. And other thing is that if you think that something is not going good at your workplace, as today is the era of technology and somewhere you are lacking in that, so just learn any skill. It will also help you in boosting your confidence, okay? And in this way you will be able to give your 100% at your workplace as well. So just add some skills in yourself, because skills always give you and give you good result, and it will open the threshold of success to your life. Yes. So just buckle up and be ready. Okay then, bye bye, have a nice day.